In the arc welding, last class we are learning about the different types of machines, AC machine and DC machine. For AC machine and DC machines, we have to use electrode to do welding. Electrode is a filler metal. Sometimes it is called a parent metal also. This electrode is a filler metal. When we are doing arc welding, the arc length has to be maintained. See, when you are doing this on the workpiece, when you are doing the work, when it is in the holder, the electrode produce the arc, and this arc length should be produced between the workpiece and the electrode. So if this electrode is too much near to the workpiece, is a problem. It is too high also is problem. So how much it has to be maintained? See, now this electrode is having a chemical coating. Okay. So this wire is having some diameter. Example, you think 3 mm. 3 mm. Okay. So now first one is normal length. The first one is the normal length. The gap between this electrode and this workpiece should have 3 mm. This is normal. See, this is a workpiece. This is electrode. This is chemical. This is chemical, white chemical. This is electrode, wire, diameter. This is the wire is the filler metal. Okay. This diameter is 3 mm. So, if after producing the arc, the electrode, see, when you touch this electrode to the workpiece only, electrode will produce the arc. After producing the arc, we have to lift the electrode little above the workpiece and we have to hold it. So, how much above it has to be lifted? So, the diameter of the electrode filler metal gap should be maintained in between this, approximately. Little less or more, no problem, but approximately it should be a 3 mm. Okay, 3 mm gap. That is the normal length. If the gap is having more than a 3 mm, that is example 6 mm, that is called long arc length. This is arc length. This spark will produce that. Long arc length. Now short one is, it is having two small gap. Two small gap. This gap is 1 mm. So actually should have 3 mm gap. So now what happened means, here because of this different types of gap maintaining between the workpiece and electrode, normal length, long length and short length, the effect of the arc will be different. The effect of the arc will be the difference. Now first we will check when the electrode is having a long gap. Okay, long gap. Long gap. What happens if it is more gap? This arc makes a sound, humming sound. What a humming sound. See, when you are driving a vehicle, your hands will get vibrating like, and it will produce sound also. So same way, here when workpiece and electrode is having a long arc between these two workpiece and electrode, it will give humming sound, and the molten metal also, due to the humming sound, it will not be there. See, any glass when you are getting humming sound, the water will spread to the side. Same way when you do welding, due to the humming sound, the metal what has melted, it will be not in the stable place, it will spread to the sides. So what is that telling? The arc makes humming sound. There is unstable. The metal will be unstable. It will, due to the humming, vibration and sound, it will spread the metal to the sides. Causes oxidization of welding metal. Causes oxidization of welding metal. Due to this spreading to the side and more humming between the pressure, it will get the metal what melt, it will get oxidized, it will mix into the air. This oxidization of the welded metal into the air is very dangerous. Sometimes it when we breathe, it will go into the lungs. Very minute, means in the microns it will be 3 to 4 microns, like very small. This oxidized metal, for inhaling and exhaling, it will be a problem. So we have to use ventilator to exhaust the air outside, and sometimes we will use oxygen equipment also when we are doing this. Sometimes see, we have to do a big container inside welding. So the welding when we are doing inside, the produced toxic fumes, oxidization, oxygen will supply will be not there. That in that places we are with working with the oxygen equipment, and it will not harm your health. This causes the oxidization of the welded metal. Fusion and penetration are poor. Fusion means because of more arc length, the heat produced will be differ. It will become low. Due to low heat produced, the melting of this filler metal electrode will not melt properly, and because of not melting properly, the metal what is not melt properly 100% liquidity, and it will not penetrate on the work. It will not weld properly, sound welding. If it is 100% liquidity, having correct temperature and weld, and it will weld properly. That what I is telling. Fusion and penetration are poor. Poor control of the molten metal. And the molten metal, where we are doing the two pieces, where the gap is there, where we are welding, it will not weld on that. Sometimes this metal will splatter to the sides. That was a poor control of the molten metal. Creates more spatters, resulting wastage of electrode metal. Okay. Now what happened, due to this more gap, more vibration, I told this oxidation will take place. With this big molten also splatters. Splatters means what happened? When you pour a water on the ground with high, the water will fall and all the water will splatter outside. Same way here also splatter will be take place, and this small granules like iron will splatter outside. And the wastage of electrode, the complete electrode what we are using is not melting and welding. It is more of wastage is going splattering outside. That welding electrode metal. This is for long arc length, and its effect. Long arc length will affect this all the problems. Now next we will see the short and normal. Now arc length and it affects when it is in normal arc. Okay. Now in between this electrode and this is 3 mm. Okay, 3 mm. So normal gap. See, the electrode wire thickness is 3 mm and normal. When it is a normal gap, a stable arc means the arc will continuously burn without stopping. Okay, without stopping. without stopping. Example, uh, without this arc will continuously burning like for Deepavali crackers will use that sparkling what is called Sursupati. So it will continuously burn. It will continuously burn here without stopping. Complete electrode we can burn it without stopping. The stable arc produces a steady, sharp, crackling sound. So this sound what it will produce is nice sound it will come. Means first one what we told it will giving humming sound, unusual sound. Okay, vibration. But here smooth sound, sparkling sound will give. And electrode burns evenly. Electrodes burn evenly. So when electron getting burned evenly, the melting of this filler metal electrode, the bead will come very smooth. The electrode burns evenly and the welding will come evenly. So melts and weld properly. And we have to know that the traveling speed also we should maintain. Sometimes you go low speed, sometimes you go high speed. After maintaining this arc also, the bead of welding will not come properly. So when this normal arc is continuously burning, same way how it is not fluctuating high or low, and your traveling also should not fluctuate to more speed or less speed. Slowly you have to go by seeing this arc and fusion of melting molten metal and everything. You have to check when you are wearing a goggles filter glass. Okay, then check and go. So if it is a normal arc, it will burn continuously, give nice good sound, crackling sound, and electrode will burn continuously. Less spatters. So as I told, this molten metal will splatters and it will come out. But here less one. But even though it will come, but very nearby area here and there, surrounding area only nearby, it will sputters a very small crystal like. But if it is having more gap, it will fall on the distance and big crystal like. Now we'll go for the short length. Short length means in between this length is more than 3 mm, less than 3 mm. Okay, it makes a popping sound. Popping sound means what? When you put example popcorn, it will pop. It will pop like this, no? The popping. The short arc here, it makes a popping sound. The electrode to melt slow and freezes. So due to a less gap between the work and the electrode, the melting temperature will not increase and the metal will not melt properly. Metal will melt slowly because the temperature reduced. The electrode filler metal is not melting, it melting slowly and it getting freeze. When it is freeze, it struck with the electrode and the welding metal. The electrode itself will weld to the workpiece. High metal deposition with narrow width. The metal will not weld properly, but the deposition take place and the bead will not come properly. Less spatters because it's not melting properly. The spatters will not come there. Fusion and penetration is less. Fusion means the melting is not there, and penetration means the molten metal will not weld to the workpiece properly. This is the arc, 3 types of different arc lengths: normal, short and long. When you maintain this arc length in different methods, you will have the problems, different problems we will face. These are the different problems you will face. To get a good welding, we have to use a nominal arc length. These are the arc length and its effects.